A new state law that allows local and state police to arrest migrants suspected of crossing the border illegally is now indefinitely paused.
A Supreme Court order issued late this afternoon keeps SB 4 from being enforced while justices consider whether the law should be upheld. Fox 4 Stephen Dial has reaction to all of this tonight. Stephen.
Democrat lawmakers I talked to today, they are celebrating this temporary win, while Republicans are just saying it's a speed bump and they believe SB 4 will ultimately become the permanent law of the land. The U.S. Supreme Court has again blocked Texas's immigration law, Senate Bill 4, from taking effect. At Monday's deadline for a previous hold on the law from the High Court, a new order was posted written by Justice Samuel Alito, this time without any timeline.
I would caution folks to read too much into that.
SB 4 allows any officer in the state to arrest someone they suspect entered the country illegally. The offender would be jailed on a state crime until they go before a judge. Jacksboro State Representative David Spiller carried the bill in the House. He explains what happens next.
They're taken to an independent magistrate. If the magistrate determines that that each and every element of that offense has been met, then those folks can be prosecuted and jailed, or they're given the alternative that they can go back.
Democrats call the law unconstitutional, saying it mirrors an Arizona law known as the Show Me Your Papers law. The heart of the Arizona law was struck down by the Supreme Court. Spiller is confident SB 4 is not a carbon copy of Arizona's failed attempt at an immigration law.
When you have individuals who are going to have to be carrying their passport, even American citizens, to prove that they are a citizen, then this is clearly a show me your papers law.
Mesquite Representative Victoria Niave Criado disagrees, thinking there needs to be a better plan.
We need common sense solutions. We need civil discourse and dialogue between Governor Abbott and the White House.
Fort Worth Police Chief Neil Noakes posted a recorded statement saying if the law were to take effect, it's not something he expects his officers to enforce.
Although we will always follow the law, the primary responsibility for immigration enforcement and border protection should be left to our federal and state partners.
The law requires probable cause. Some Republican sheriffs see it as a law for border counties, not urban areas. In reaction to the delay while lawsuits play out, Governor Abbott said the Supreme Court did not halt the state's pre-existing authority to arrest for criminal trespass. Spiller speculated the court could also be waiting for oral arguments in the Fifth Circuit on April 3rd on this same law.
The merits of the case have not been heard, but the merits as far as the appeal to the Fifth Circuit will be heard. I anticipate I'll be down there for that, and that will be heard. And I've seen the briefing on it. I feel very confident in that.
Again, Justice Alito did not set a deadline for this stay, unlike what he did last week. And so it's really uncertain. The Supreme Court could still make an opinion, or we may have to wait until after oral arguments in April.